Here's how to bridge between Hela and other chains. From Hela HUSDC to BSCUSDC. Go to the Hela Bridge link. Choose HUSDC Hela to USDC-BSC. Enter the amount, click Bridge, then approve it in MetaMask. Once completed, click the TX ID to view it on BSCSCAN. From BSCUSDC to Hela Husk. Click the drop-down to switch directions. MetaMask will ask to switch networks. Choose the token. Click Approve Use of USDC. Approve again in MetaMask. Then click Bridge and confirm. You can check the status in the Hela scanner.